How to spend money instantly using BDO mobile app. First, open the BDO online app on your phone and log in using your username and password. Once you are on the main screen, look at the bottom menu and tap Send Money. This section is used for quick money transfers. Next, choose where you want to send the money. You may see options like own account, another BDO account, or other banks and wallets. Tap the option that matches your transfer. If you want instant transfer to another bank, choose the fast transfer option such as InstaPay if available. After that, enter the recipient's details carefully. Type the account name, account number, or mobile number if sending to a wallet. Make sure all details are correct before continuing. For example, you may send money to account number 123456789. Another example is sending to mobile number 0912345678 for supported wallets. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. For example, you can send 1,000 or 5,500 depending on your needs. Then, add a note if you want, such as rent, allowance, or payment. Next, tap the Next or Continue. Review all the information carefully, then tap Confirm or Submit. The app may ask for OTP verification, so enter the code if requested. Wait for the success message on your screen. Once confirmed, the money is usually sent instantly for supported transfer channels.